In this video, I'll guide you through how to change email notifications for Claude AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you only get the emails you actually want and nothing more. Let's start from the very beginning by opening up Claude in your browser or app. Once you're on the main screen, the first thing you need to do is head to your profile area. On a desktop, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there, usually showing your initial or a small avatar. On mobile, that same profile icon is typically found at the top right corner instead. Go ahead and tap or click that profile icon to open your account menu. When that menu appears, look for the option labeled Settings. This is where Claude keeps all of your account and preference controls. Click or tap Settings to open the main settings page. Take a moment to make sure it's fully loaded. Sometimes there can be a brief delay, especially on a slower connection or on mobile data. Within the settings area, you'll see several sections or tabs, each focused on different parts of your account. What we're interested in here is anything related to notifications or communication. Look for a tab or section named Notifications or Communication. Depending on the version or layout you're using, it might be across the top as a tab or down the side as a menu item. Select that option to open your notification preferences. Once you're in the notifications or communication section, you'll see a list of different types of emails that Claude can send you. These might include things like product updates, feature announcements, tips and educational emails, or account-related alerts. Next to each of these, there will usually be a toggle switch or checkbox that lets you turn that specific type of email on or off. To change a setting, simply adjust the toggle next to that email category. If you want to stop receiving a particular type of message, switch that toggle off. If there are emails you still find helpful, like important account alerts, make sure those toggles stay on. As you make changes, most systems will save them automatically, but if you see a save or apply button anywhere on the page, it's a good idea to click it just to be sure your preferences are stored. Take a moment to review each option carefully. Think about which emails you actually read and which ones you usually ignore. This is your chance to clean things up so that your inbox only gets the notifications that matter to you. You can always come back to this page later and adjust them again if your preferences change. When you're happy with your choices, you can simply close the settings window or navigate back to the main Claude screen. Your new email notification preferences should now be active, though it may take a little time for the change to be reflected in any emails already scheduled. That's all there is to it. You've now updated your email notifications for Claude AI so they match your needs and your inbox stays a bit more organized.